Recessing scissor lift into the floor. Up from beneath the floor. Cutting and removing the floor. Yup, just like that. Cutting of the floor. Yeah, the concrete breaking intersect has been downloaded into my brain. Breaking concrete looks hard. Skills. Tools. Intersect. Dirt? Yup. Dirt. Removal. And shovel. Both square and round. Getting it done. Yup. It's time for some forms and concrete. Step 1, hammer drill. Check. Step 2, bend some rod. Intersect. Yeah. Tie wire, lineman pliers. Step 3, tie it up. Check. Nail some nails. Check. And staple some, wait a minute, staple. Anyway, staple some trim on. Check that box. Get it in the hole. Check. Some boards to hold your forms up. Check. And of course, pins. Checkity check, check. Nails. Oh, check. Intersect. Digging hole for sump. Never know when there's gonna be oil leakage that will need contained. Some of that ready mix. Ooh, check. Making some plywood covers and getting some stuff painted. Yo, what's the deal with this song, yo? Something ain't right. Now the lift goes in the hole. Yeah, this will definitely work good. I'm certain of it. I don't know if this is a good idea. I definitely have control of this lift. It doesn't have control of me. Yeah. I'll just carefully place it in the... There we go. Oh my gosh. What a joke. I think I didn't break my crane off. Yeah. There, we'll leave that 1 foot of spring it had on it. Beautiful. Yep. Gotta love it when a plan all comes together. Perfect. Alright, success! That wraps it up for this video. Just how to get 3 or 4 views on it. Thanks for watching. And good luck with your project. I'm sure that's why you're watching this.